Hey everyone, John here from Bite Cruises. Welcome back. Today is day 5. Here we are in the main dining room grabbing some breakfast. I forgot to do the morning intro, so I figured I would just jump in here and give you a little heads up. Main dining room is delightful for breakfast, much less chaotic than the old Windjammer. Then we headed out to Cozumel, soon to be the home of the Royal Beach Club in late 2026. As you see here, we were docked next to the Margaritaville at Sea Islander. It's a cute ship. We took a look at it from our massive viewpoint on top of Icon. It looks much nicer than the other Margaritaville at Sea ship. Then we wandered through the port here. We just did a little shopping and walking around. As you can see, there is a Margaritaville there. It was a very heavy excursion day. Lots of people in lines to go on excursions. There's not much to do in the port area there other than just walk around the shops. And you know, it's a port where everyone comes out and they're trying to sell you things and bring you into the stores, which is what their goal is, to get you to buy stuff. So we just wandered around and then we headed back to the ship after that for a fun little lunch. Hi everyone, we are back in from Cozumel. Beautiful day in Cozumel today. Very hot, very sunny. I'm not going to get a chance to see the Pier runners today because we are going to dinner early because we have a live stream tonight. So we're going to run down to dinner at 5:15, which is 6:15 Eastern time. So we have a quick dinner, hopefully a very quick dinner, so we can get back in time for the live stream. So we're going to do that. We had a very nice time. We just walked around out in the port, just trying to get some video out there. Looks like a lot of people are going on excursions today.
Big excursion day.
Yeah.
Not for us.
Nope, not for us. And we were parked right next to the Margaritaville at Sea Islander, which actually looked pretty nice.
Yeah, it looked like a nice pool areas.
Yeah.
It looked really fun.
It didn't look as shabby as the other Margaritaville at Sea ship. And we got news today that Margaritaville just purchased a third ship, their largest ship that holds about 3,500 passengers. So they are growing quickly, which is awesome. It's good for the cruise industry. So that is it. We are going to Pier 7 tonight. We're going to see how loud that is because it's in the Surfside area, which is like the family zone of the ship. So my hunch is that it's going to be pretty noisy there. But the food looks good.
Yeah.
The menu looks good.
Let's find out.
Yeah. So we're going to find out together. And we will be back. We're going to do the live stream. And then we'll see everybody tonight as we get back from White Night. Bye.
Bye.
team number 3. Team number 5.
Hey everyone, John and Judy here. It's actually 11:30 at night.
It is so past our bedtime.
Way past our, and we're losing an hour tonight. We're going forward, so it's gonna be a rough one for us. But we made it up to the Crazy Quest. It was Judy's first experience with the Crazy Quest. What did you think?
It was insane.
It's wild. It's a wild time. We saw some things. There was a man, you'll see it on the video. There was a man with gray underwear. My Lord, Jesus. So yeah, we did that. We also went to the orchestra perform tonight. They were fantastic, right?
I loved it. It was a highlight for sure.
So great. So it's really nice to go on a ship. I say this all the time on a lot of my videos. One of the things I really appreciate is seeing a live band or a live orchestra on board of a cruise ship. I think it makes a huge difference. It used to be all the time, and now you barely see it anymore. So when you do, it really makes an impression. So that was great. We had dinner tonight.
Pier 7.
Pier 7. It was fun. It was really good. So that is it. That was our night for tonight. Tomorrow we have our last sea day, and then we are going to Perfect Day. You excited?
I can't wait for Perfect Day.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
Tomorrow we have Sip Tour Brunch. So we'll see everybody in the morning. Have a good night. Thanks so much, everyone, for watching these vlogs. We really appreciate it. That is the reason we go on these cruises, to give you all the great information about everything that's going on board the ship. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.